Alright, Penny. Can you wait right there? I want to go get another box. Hold on, wait. Wait for me. Just wait. Stay nice and comfortable. Okay, that didn't work. I tried. Can you lay down? Good girl. There you go. I guess I took too long. There she is. Right behind the box. Alright. Where's my phone? Hold on, Penny. Come on, Penny. Sorry, I had to get my phone. I forgot what box we were on here. Wow, big box 67. That did pretty nice. And box 68. That's doing nice. We just put that out. So we're on box number 69. Oops. Get some stuff out of the way. Box number 69. Fix my hat. I don't know if I ever wore this particular shirt. It feels awfully new. But I have several of the same shirt. $25 reward. No questions asked. I lost these 3 machines. Singer 301. If you have seen them, please contact me ASAP. I miss them very much. I'm offering a $25 reward for these lost sewing machines. 100% cotton Hanes, and it's so comfortable. All right. Let's tighten that up. We'll call this one box 69. We're just going to call it, just from what I'm seeing on top, Scram. I said Scram. Foot pedals. Great handwriting. Alright, so let's get at it. Let's get at it. This is going to be fun. What is it, 12 o'clock? I'm still drinking my last cup of coffee. And it's not that warm. Kind of on the cold side. Alright. Penny and I, we took a nice long, how long was it? Pretty close to 2 miles. Probably 3 miles round trip, I would say. It's a nice walk. Alright, well let's just pull the boxes out of the box first to make it a little easier. Call this foot pedals, would be correct. It's foot pedals and power cords. So this should be a very long video. It should go fairly quickly. Let's take a look what we have here. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Oh, trash man's gonna love me this week. I'm gonna have to smash all these boxes. I might even burn them. Probably not. Give the trash man something to do. I'll just bundle them up real nice. Alright, here we go. Let's Let's direct it right down to the, there we go. Come on down some. And take a look at what kind of foot pedals we have here. And you know, I've been cleaning up foot pedals the last couple days too. And this is a, if I can pull the end out. See the 3 holes? So if you have your machine, you've been looking for it, and it kind of has that shape where you plug it in. Guess what? I have it. You still would have to do some measurements. A brand new, for a Singer, 3-hole power cord. We have a vintage taped up. One of the best, no, let me take it back. The best, nope, I have to take that back because it's the wrong end. So let's go back to one of the best. Why did they tape all the ends up like this? No clue. There's no damage to it, it's just taped up. Oh, I understand now. The screws are missing. Okay. Screws are missing on that. But anyways, Singer power cord. And a brand new Singer power cord. Here's a vintage Singer power cord. Look really nice. Those little end caps always get lost, so it's nice to see one. And there's one empty box. And now we'll save that for last. There was one box, it appears, that are not power cords. Another Singer power cord. Let's take a look. Without my glasses, I can't tell if it's new or used. Oh, it's a vintage power cord. Nice. Here's looks like someone made an extension. Oh, this is definitely wired wrong. These are not supposed to stick out like that. That is in there upside down. So, I'll have to take that apart, probably get rid of that cord. Maybe I just chop the end off. Somebody else is, I'm not sure what's going on here, but I might use it, we'll see. Hey, a brown power cord. Sweet. Boy, look at that big sentence for maybe from a customer's machine. Or it failed to get into a case. We put it back on the shelf in case this has actually happened. Someone took really good notes. Beautiful. Unfortunately, wrapping it up like that is not good for the cord. Not like that. And I'm seeing, man, just slight damage. It's probably okay if someone out there don't mind a couple pieces of electrical tape. But this is some of the best wiring Singer ever made for their cords. It's like rubberized. Rubberized that lasts a long time. And we have a Rocketeer. A Rocketeer. Missing the pedal. It's the wiring. So if someone has a Rocketeer foot pedal and your wiring's starting to go bad, guess what? There's a brand new Rocketeer foot pedal. That's a good price. $19. Of course, that's probably price 6 years ago. I'm guessing. Another Rocketeer foot pedal cord. A Singer super light. Oh, this is aftermarket power cord, which is alright. Not quite as nice as the genuine ones, you know. Just not made as nice. We have some kind of switch light I do not recognize. It's a white built-in light. Built January 8, removed January 8, 19, that really doesn't really matter. Some kind of brushes. Members ask for these all the time. I really don't carry them new, but I get them like that sometimes. Oh, cool. I think that would be a Singer light. I could be wrong. That's definitely a Singer. Ask me how I know. Oh, cha-ching! A good one too. If anybody needs one of these. Very nice. Singer. Very, very nice part. And this is what happens if you don't take care of it. They will break. Just one of these things for a light. A light part. Another just a part of a light. Oh, some more caps. That's always nice to have. Caps, a couple little screws. Just dump that on the table. Alright, what do we got here? Foot pedal. Oh, this is nice. This is, might as well consider it. Wow, this is really nice. This is made. This is a vintage foot pedal. How do I say this? A new old stock. I don't even know if you can get this type anymore. Not that I know of. Let's see if I have one of the ones you see nowadays. They have this little thing that comes out of here that controls how far down this goes, and they don't work very good. But this is nice. It appears to be brand new, but it could be used. The cord looks brand new. This will fit many Kenmore machines. This is a good foot pedal. Good as sold. Good as sold. I think that's a C-cam. I got a bag of plug-ins. I don't know if anyone would actually ever use this, but I got a bunch of these things. Just kind of fell apart. A lot of new stuff. I got a lot of new stuff with that purchase. These were selling for $19.95. I would say that was priced anywhere between 4 and 6 years ago. But this is a slant model foot pedal cord. I'm pretty sure it is. Like, oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I have to look it up. It says 743. Now I'm looking at it. It looks kind of wide for. I thought it was a slant model. I don't know. It could be. There's another one. Oh, I really need to find out what they're for. 3, 4, at 20 bucks each. Yeah, we'll just keep it at 20 bucks because I got 5. We'll keep the old price. 6, 7. Now I want to go get a slant model and see if it fits in the holes. Should I go do it? Let me think. Is there a slant model up here? That's that would be a 401, 403, 404 is what I'm guessing this is for. But it's kind of. Let's just open this up. Sorry. I know. It's better. You can see the stuff in focus. What do you think? Too wide for a 400 series? I don't know. Don't know. There was about 8 or 10 of those. We have a universal foot pedal, brand new. I rewire foot pedals all the time with those. Many machines take them. Cool. 1, 2. This is nice. 3 of those. And so here's the foot pedal I would wire it to. Beautiful. Let's see. Customer says this control says occasionally makes funny noises, so replaced. Makes a funny noise, huh? Alright. Could have been the wiring. There you have it. There's one box that I said I was going to save for last. It is not foot pedals. It is not cords, but it has a couple of feet, and they appear to possibly be industrial feet. They appear to be possibly. So let's take a look here. Yep. That says industrial, 1/8 industrial. Elder zipper, $27.50. I know the background's out of focus, but but your part's gonna be in focus here. I have, yeah, I could probably count them, about 100 industrial feet. All industrial. Just happens to be one box of industrial feet. All right, well, there you have it. I'll put that, I think, oh, you know what? I actually have, because I'm so organized. We got a couple minutes. Let me show you what we got going here. Let's see here. These last two boxes are being back clamp, slant, low, low, low. Here we go. Foot industrial. Foot industrial. So, let's just put them right where they need to go. There's a feed dog that looks industrial. We'll put that in there too. Just to put it in there. We'll put it back right here. We got a couple minutes, so just let's read these off real quick. This is a bag of 221 stuff. And we have belts, blades, knives, bobbin mix, 2 bags of bobbin mix, bobbin winder, button holder cams, bobbin case, cams, clamps, cover plate, electrical bag, feed dog, felts, gears, hardware and screws, hinges, industrial parts, manuals, miscellaneous, needles, needle clamps, needle plate, shuttle, shuttle carrier, shuttle hook, small parts, seam guide, spool pin lifter or felt, spring, Swiss made, thread, tension assembly, tool, brushes and keys, feet mix, sliding feet 2-piece, top shank, 2-piece foot again, high shank, back clamp, slant, low, 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 and industrial. And now for these, I'm going to bag them up all separately. This is the best way to prevent them from tangling up. And then they'll go into new boxes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do another part today, so watch for it. Enjoy the day.